black hole and the issued warning. This video will contain valid emergency alert system sounds and isn't real, it's just a scenario. Please stay calm and enjoy the scenario. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following cities: Andyville, Block City and Televille. The National Weather Radar showed severe storms forming with hails, rain and heavy rainfall and rarely microbursts. Please stay inside and keep a look out.
Hello and welcome back to Robloxia News. A GhostNado is a supernatural type of tornado that can transform into a ghost orb. When a GhostNado transforms into a ghost orb, it turns almost completely invisible and can move at unprecedented speeds. Its invisibility trait, speed trait, and strength trait, that of an EF5, makes this tornado a dangerous threat to all. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the west of Robloxia. A GhostNado is a supernatural type of tornado that can transform into a ghost orb. When a GhostNado transforms into a ghost orb, it turns almost completely invisible and can move at unprecedented speeds. Its rating, its speed and its power, it's too powerful for us humans. The rating is EF5, and its power, it's that IT can transform into a ghost orb and travel at supernatural speeds. Please seek shelter right now. The GhostNado is arriving. Get to shelter immediately.